Hello parents, welcome back to today's learning session on Sushant Sahana's world. As we focus on early childhood development for children aged 3 to 5, I have prepared a set of hands-on activities designed to boost cognitive skill, fine motor coordination and early literacy and numeracy. These activities are simple, DIY focused and perfect for building a strong foundation at home. Let's dive into these lessons to help our little ones learn through play. This is a discrimination and logical thinking exercise where children match a circular pattern cutout to the corresponding outline on the worksheet. In this activity, child have to look at the various designs on the circular cutouts like zigzag, swirls and stars. Then they have to find the matching outline on the main worksheet and place the cutout on top of it. This exercise helps children to learn to notice even small differences and similarities between the patterns. In this activity, as you can see, each popcorn box is marked with a number. Children have to count the corresponding number of French fries or yellow strips and place them onto the box to match the number. This activity helps children in understanding the relationship between a written number and the actual quantity it represents. It provides hands-on practice with one-on-one counting as children place each individual French fries into the box. Placing the paper strips accurately into the box helps them to improve a child's eye-hand coordination and precision. This exercise requires the child to visually process the shapes in the center column and then match them to the corresponding outline on the right, as well as identifying them with the correct colored form on the left. By performing these actions, children practice crossing the midline of their bodies, a crucial development milestone where brain coordinates both sides effectively. Using both sides of the body together helps to build a stronger neutral path between the left and right sides of the brain, which supports letter communication and cognitive processing. This worksheet features several boxes, each labeled with an uppercase letter. Children take small separate cards containing lowercase letters and place them onto the box that has matching uppercase letters. This activity strengthens a child's ability to identify and distinguish between the uppercase and lowercase forms of the same letter. Picking up and precisely placing the correct letter cards onto the worksheet helps improve a child's eye-hand coordination. Learning to match letters is a key building block for reading and writing development. This activity involves identifying different colored similar faces. Children can practice color matching or sorting by identifying the colors shown at the top of the worksheet and finding the corresponding faces below. This exercise helps children to learn to identify and name different colors. Recognizing and labeling different facial expressions on the smiley faces encourages children to understand and express various emotions. Scanning the page to find the different faces promotes visual attention and focus skills. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these hands-on activities provide you with some easy, fun and effective ways to support your child's development at home. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.